Here are 10 fascinating facts about geography, so let's get straight into it. The deepest lake in the world is Lake Baikal in southern Russia, which is an incredible 1,700 metres deep. And at 25 million years old, it is also the oldest lake on Earth. Miraculously, this lake contains 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater reserve. London, England, and Calgary in Canada both lie at 51 degrees north latitude, but London experiences much milder winters than Calgary. For instance, average winter low temperatures are around 1 degree Celsius in London compared to a much chillier -11 degrees Celsius in Calgary. Why is this, you ask? Well, this can mostly be explained by what's known as the Gulf Stream, an ocean current originating in the Gulf of Mexico that brings warm waters to Western Europe, so places like London stay much warmer and get very little snow. The Mariana Trench, located in the Western Pacific Ocean, east of the Philippines, is the deepest ocean trench in the world. The deepest point, known as Challenger Deep, is at a depth of 36,000 feet. To put that in perspective, at 29,000 feet, Mount Everest could comfortably fit inside the Mariana Trench. Despite zero light, immense pressures, and cold temperatures, there is even life down there, from crustaceans to fish. There are only 3 countries on Earth landlocked by only one country. They are Lesotho, landlocked by South Africa, San Marino by Italy, and the Vatican City, also by Italy. What's the largest desert on Earth? Many will say the Sahara, which is indeed the world's largest hot desert. But Antarctica is the largest desert in the world. Much of Antarctica is a polar desert, characterised by painfully low temperatures and very little rainfall. And it's big, spanning 13.6 million kilometres squared. That's almost twice the size of Australia. A whopping 90% of the Earth's population lives in the Northern Hemisphere. But this fact is perhaps not so surprising when I tell you that the 3 most populated countries on Earth are in the Northern Hemisphere: China, India, and the United States. And there is also considerably more landmass in the Northern Hemisphere at 68%, compared to 32% in the Southern Hemisphere. The most densely populated island in the world is Java in Indonesia, with an average population density of 1,177 people per kilometre squared, and a total population of 51 million. That's a lot of people crammed into a small area. At the other end of the spectrum, the least densely populated country on Earth is Greenland, with a population density of just 0.14 people per square kilometre. This is despite Greenland being the world's largest island. It also has a very small population at just 56,000 people. This is because most of Greenland is unsuitable for habitation, with 75% of the island covered by permanent ice sheets. So if you like ice and don't like people, Greenland might just be the place for you. The hottest place on Earth is Death Valley in the southwest United States. It set the record for the highest ever recorded temperature in 1913, recording a sweltering 56.7 degrees Celsius, or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Death Valley gets so incredibly hot due to its unique geography that traps the heat, including its deep, narrow valley shape, and it being situated 282 feet below sea level. If you like the idea of living in a sauna, get yourself to Death Valley. So there we have it. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.